Look at me.
Look at his lips. Get a close up of his lips.
Do you like mommy's finger?
Do you like Mama's finger? Don't chew on anybody's finger. Because he's just a weird baby.
Are you looking for this? Are you looking for this?
If you want a funny baby, if you want a funny baby,
Fubby? You want a fubby baby?
if you want a funny baby, if you want a funny baby, it's gonna be a boy.